Title: What are the hidden benefits of working with a full-service remodeling company? Are you planning a home renovation in Oregon? Today we're uncovering the hidden benefits of choosing a full-service remodeling company and why homeowners rely on Star Builders LLC, your trusted home remodeling contractor in Salem, Oregon. A full-service remodeling company handles everything for you, from initial design and planning to construction, management, and the final walkthrough. Instead of coordinating multiple contractors, you work with one expert team guiding your entire project. When design and construction are under one roof, communication becomes faster, clearer, and more efficient. This reduces delays, prevents misunderstandings, and ensures your vision stays consistent from start to finish. A unified team means better craftsmanship and quality control. Star Builders LLC's experienced designers, builders, and project managers collaborate to make sure every detail aligns with your goals and budget. Working with a full-service contractor helps avoid unexpected expenses and scheduling issues. The streamlined process saves time and often saves money by keeping the entire project coordinated and efficient. Star Builders LLC proudly serves homeowners throughout Oregon, delivering premium remodeling and design build services. From kitchen and bathroom upgrades to full home transformations, their team provides reliability, transparency, and exceptional results, ready to transform your home with a trusted home remodeling contractor in Salem, OR. Visit Star Builders LLC at starbuildersllc.com or call 558-2756 to schedule a consultation today.